Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best multifunctional shovel is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools you can own, whether you're an avid camper, a dedicated gardener, or simply someone who likes to be prepared for the unexpected. This isn't just any shovel, it's a compact powerhouse designed to tackle a multitude of tasks, from digging and chopping to sawing and hammering, all within a single, portable unit that can be easily stored in your car, backpack, or shed. Imagine having a reliable assistant for every outdoor adventure or DIY project, ready to help you clear snow, build a fire pit, or even defend yourself in a survival situation, making it an essential addition to your gear collection. Number 5. Tyger Auto TG SV8U3217 Folding Shovel. Introducing the Tyger Auto Folding Shovel, forged from military-grade carbon steel and aerospace-grade aluminum. It's designed for durability and built to withstand the toughest conditions. Switch between different modes in seconds with its unique instant switch mechanism. This feature makes it fast, sturdy, and incredibly versatile for any task. This compact tool offers 16 functions, making it perfect for a wide range of activities. From off-roading and camping to survival situations, it's your go-to companion. Keep it in your vehicle for unexpected situations like digging out tires or breaking glass. It's an essential tool for disaster recovery and emergency preparedness. It easily stores in your vehicle and comes with a convenient storage bag. Take it on all your outdoor adventures without hassle. Need more length? An extension handle is available for purchase separately. This enhances its usability for various digging needs. What we like. This shovel boasts a US registered patent design, forged from military-grade solid carbon steel and aerospace-grade aluminum. Its unique instant switch mechanism allows for mode changes in seconds, making it fast and sturdy. If you're an outdoor enthusiast who values quick adaptability and robust construction for off-roading, camping, or emergency situations, this is the tool for you. What people say. The shovel is lightweight and easy to carry. It has multiple functions, including digging, chopping, and sawing. The shovel is made of durable material and feels sturdy. Number 4. Zune Lotoo 28-in-1 Survival Shovel Multitool. Introducing the Zune Lotoo 28-in-1 Survival Shovel Multitool, your ultimate companion for any outdoor adventure. This versatile tool is designed to tackle any challenge you might face in the wilderness. Experience unparalleled convenience with our patented 7-key angle lock system. Effortlessly adjust to 7 different angles with a single hand, ensuring quick and efficient use in any situation. Crafted from unbreakable martensitic steel, this tool is engineered for extreme conditions. It can withstand immense pressure, resist rust in salt water, and remain functional even in sub-zero temperatures. More than just a shovel, it's a complete survival kit. It features shovel and axe blades, along with a bottle opener, whistle, camera support, fire starter, wire saw, and rope for all your needs. The upgraded handle, made from aircraft-grade aluminum, offers superior strength and reliability. Its non-slip silicone pad ensures a comfortable and secure grip, adjustable to your preference. This foldable shovel is designed for portability. It easily disassembles and fits into a compact carrying pouch, making it an essential addition to your truck, car, or RV for any emergency or camping trip. What we like. Featuring a patented 7-key angle lock system for one-handed operation, this survival shovel offers the fastest rescue in emergencies. Its head is made of unbreakable martensitic steel, capable of withstanding extreme conditions. If you prioritize advanced locking mechanisms and extreme durability for serious outdoor adventures or emergency preparedness, this luxury kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The shovel is lightweight and easy to carry. It is very sturdy and well made. The shovel has multiple functions, including digging, chopping, and sawing. Number 3. GHWMYD 15-inch Large Chicken Poop Scooper. Introducing the GHWMYD 15-inch Large Chicken Poop Scooper, designed to make cleaning your chicken coop faster and easier. Its extra-wide scoop tackles more debris with every pass, saving you valuable time and reducing fatigue. Say goodbye to back strain. This innovative scooper features an ergonomic handle that allows you to stand taller, reducing back bending by up to 30%. Enjoy a more comfortable cleaning experience without the pain. Customize the length to fit any situation. With a detachable stainless steel handle that extends up to 54 inches, you can easily adjust it for cleaning goat stalls, horse stables, or chicken coops of any size. Crafted from high-quality, industrial-grade metal with rust-resistant properties, this scooper is built for durability. Its smooth surface ensures easy cleaning, so it's always ready for the next job. Get started in seconds. Assembly is a breeze with its simple swivel thread connection. Secure screws ensure a stable and long-lasting bond, making it a reliable tool for all your cleaning tasks. What we like. This extra-wide 15-inch scoop is designed for efficient cleaning of chicken coops and other animal stalls, tackling 30% more debris per sweep. The upgraded ergonomic handle reduces back bending by 30%, saving your back from strain. If you're a farmer or pet owner dealing with frequent, large-scale cleanups and want to minimize physical exertion, this is the ideal tool for you. What people say. This shovel is incredibly versatile, functioning as a shovel, hoe, and saw. It's perfect for camping and emergency preparedness. The adjustable handle is a great feature, allowing for comfortable use at different heights. The locking mechanism is secure and easy to operate. Number 2. Yeacool Camping Shovel with Pickaxe. Introducing the Yeacool Camping Shovel with Pickaxe, designed for all your outdoor adventures. It's lightweight, multifunctional, and built to last. This versatile tool goes beyond digging. It features a pickaxe, saw, whistle, compass, and bottle opener, making it indispensable for camping, hiking, and gardening. Experience a unique modular handle design that offers practical storage for small essentials like first aid or fishing gear. It's both tactical and functional. Easily carry it anywhere with the included durable canvas storage bag. It folds compactly, perfect for travel or attaching to your belt for quick access. Surprise the outdoor enthusiast in your life with this sturdy, well-engineered, and affordable multi-tool. It's ideal for campers, hikers, survivalists, and gardeners alike. Yeacool is dedicated to your satisfaction. We offer prompt and efficient customer support to ensure a hassle-free shopping experience. What we like. This multifunctional shovel comes with an integrated pickaxe, making it versatile for digging, gardening, and more. Its modular design allows for storage of small items within the handle tubes, adding practical tactical functionality. If you're looking for a compact, sturdy, and well-engineered tool for camping, hiking, or gardening at a super affordable price, this makes a great gift or personal purchase. What people say. This shovel is incredibly versatile, functioning as a shovel, saw, axe, and even a fire starter. It's a must-have for camping and emergency preparedness. The compact and foldable design makes it easy to carry in a backpack or store in a vehicle. The durable construction ensures it can handle tough tasks. I was impressed by the sharp edge of the saw and axe functions, which made quick work of branches and small logs. The shovel itself is sturdy and effective for digging. Number 1. FLYEGO 9-in-1 Folding Camping Shovel. Discover the ultimate companion for all your adventures. This versatile tool is designed to handle everything from camping and hiking to car emergencies and gardening. It's a complete survival kit in your hand. Featuring a shovel, extension handles, whistle, fire starter, and safety hammer, it's ready for any challenge. Customize its length to fit your needs, extending from 13.8 to 24.8 inches. The ergonomic triangular handle ensures a comfortable and secure grip, reducing fatigue. Crafted from high-strength, high-toughness carbon steel, it resists rust and is perfect for peeling, scaling, and cutting. This is an essential for any outdoor enthusiast. Weighing only 1.9 pounds and folding down to a mere 8.6 inches, it's incredibly portable. It easily attaches to your belt or fits in your car or backpack. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you encounter any issues, please contact us, and we'll ensure you receive a prompt and helpful resolution. What we like. This 9-in-1 camping shovel is packed with multiple tools, including a whistle, fire starter, and safety hammer, making it ideal for various outdoor activities and car emergencies. It features adjustable extension handles for personalized length and an ergonomic triangular design for a comfortable grip. If you need a lightweight, portable, and versatile tool for general outdoor use, car emergencies, or gardening, this compact entrenching tool is a great option. What people say. The shovel is incredibly versatile, functioning as a shovel, saw, hoe, and even a small axe. Its compact and foldable design makes it easy to store and transport, perfect for camping and emergencies. The durable construction and high-quality materials ensure it can withstand tough use in various outdoor conditions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.